Vivo makes the best camera smartphones with its V series, and the latest one takes it a notch higher. From Techweez, I'm George Kamau with the Vivo V29 review. Let's take it and go. Vivo V29 comes in a grey box which has the phone, a charging cable, an 80-watt power brick, SIM ejector tool, case and documentation. It also has a factory applied screen protector. Right off the top, the Vivo V29 looks really beautiful. Our unit is in noble black with a subtle shimmer. It's pretty light like its predecessor, and its curved design and slim profile make it comfortable to use even for long periods. The camera housing has been redesigned with the outer light moved to the bottom below the two lenses, but we'll talk about that later. The back glass has a matte finish that doesn't get fingerprints and smudges. As a first for the Vivo V series, the V29 comes with an IP68 rating, which is pretty impressive. Other features include two microphones, a bottom-facing speaker, and a dual nano SIM card slot. It also has a speedy optical under-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock for biometrics. The stunning sharp screen complements the attractive design, and it's the best I've used this year. It's a slightly curved 6.78-inch 10-bit AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, 1300 nits peak brightness, and a 1.5K resolution. I was pretty impressed with the overall viewing experience even when outdoors. It's an amazing canvas for watching movies, showing off your gallery, gaming, browsing the web, and scrolling social media. Vivo V29 comes powered by Snapdragon 778G chipset, 12GB RAM, and 256GB storage. You get up to 8GB of virtual RAM too. It runs on Android 13 and FunTouch OS 13 with support for 2 years of major OS updates and 3 years of security updates. The phone is no slouch when it comes to performance. It handles everyday tasks excellently. Multitasking never slowed the phone as well. You'll comfortably use the phone with no worries of lagging. The ultra-large vapor chamber bionic cooling system kept the phone cool even when gaming the highest graphics settings. You'll be in good hands with the phone. Let's talk cameras. Vivo V29 ships with a triple rear setup and a punch-hole selfie camera. It has a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel depth camera. We also have a 50-megapixel front-facing camera. Vivo V29 comes with an outer light feature that brightens faces when taking low-light portrait shots. There's a smart color temperature adjustment that detects the surroundings when the outer light is enabled, which is a nice addition and the pictures are appealing. It comes in handy when you don't want to use the LED flash, as the photos taken with the outer light don't have the harshness. The camera app has multiple modes to play around with, including 24 vlog modes with templates for food, travel, night, and sports. There are movie LUTs as well, which are film tone templates that range from nostalgia, retro, classic, mute, autumn, and more. Video recording is capped at 4K 30fps for the main cameras and 1080p for the front camera. Stabilization is available on the 3 lenses, with video capped at 1080p 60fps. Selfie videos are stabilized at 1080p 30fps. The cameras take great photos and videos. They come out looking vivid, well detailed, and sharp with natural saturation. The dynamic range and vibrance are excellent. Lowlights are also really bright, which is perfect for sharing on social media. Overall, the Vivo V29 is a great camera smartphone. Vivo V29 has a 4600 mAh battery that supports 80-watt wide charging. 18 minutes tossed in the charger will get the phone from empty to 47%. 40 minutes will juice it up from empty to 92%. In terms of endurance, I was getting between 7 and 8 hours of screen on time between heavy and moderate use. On days of light use, I could push the phone to a day and a half. Vivo V29 is a solid choice when picking a mid-range smartphone if you're in the market for one. Pricing and availability details would be linked below.